Namaste students. So from our Guru Shiksha Physics Kalpam YouTube channel, so we are going to solve problems from the current electricity lesson for the JEE and NEET examination purpose 2020. So and we have started a Facebook page, Physics Kendra. So please follow that Facebook page also. So it is a official page I have started. So most of the students don't know about the YouTube channel, so I'm going to share the videos in that Facebook page also. Facebook page name is Physics Kendra. So let us start with problems from JEE examinations and NEET examination point of view. So these problems are quite useful for your examination purpose, I think. Now I am going to solve 4 problems from a different angle. So please use it and share to your friends. So if it is quite useful for you. Also we have shared the problems in our WhatsApp group also. So please utilize the problems from this video. So starting from the problem 36. In the circuit shown in figure, the total resistance between points A and B is R0. The value of resistance R. So we want to write the value of R in terms of R0. So across A and B, the net resistance, they are saying it as R0. So we want to find R in terms of R0. So 4 options are given. So we'll see the solution. So here I have drawn a diagram, the same diagram. So in that RAB is R0, they have given in the problem itself. So what I have done is R and R0 are in series. So I have taken it as R plus R0. And R plus R0 and RS both are in parallel. So I have taken the parallel form 1 by R plus 1 by R plus R0. So on taking that LCM, I got the result as 1 by R as 2 R plus R0 by R into R plus R0. So finally, across RAB, that is R0, that will be equal to the resistance which is series here. That is near A I have a resistor R. That R plus this parallel combination, we got it as R into R plus R0. Take the reciprocal of that 1 by Rp. That is R into R plus R0 divided by 2 R plus R0. So finally we are getting the result for RAB, which we are equating that value equal to R0. On substituting this, we are getting R0 into 2R plus R0. That will be equal to R into 2R plus R0 plus R into R plus R0. On cancelling each other, so we are finally getting R equal to R0 divided by root 3. So here option D is right for this problem. So next problem. Problem number 37. In the circuit shown in the figure, resistance R equal to 55 ohm, each of the resistance, the equivalent resistance between the points P and Q. Options 30 ohm, 35 ohm, 55 ohm, 25 ohm. So let us see the solution. So in this problem, so I have redrawn the diagram in the red color. So we have top 2 resistors, they are in parallel, and the bottom 2 resistors are in parallel, and we have a resistor which is horizontal in this diagram, that is also in parallel with the bottom 2 of the resistors. So if you rearrange that, I have rearranged in the red color pen. So finally the topmost last resistor is connected in parallel to all the combinations. Now in the bottom I have separated this region into region 1, region 2, region 3. In region 1 we have 2 resistors in parallel, R and R. In region 2, 3 resistors are in parallel, R. Finally in region 3, a single resistor in parallel with the total combination. So the next step in region 1, on comparing that, we are getting the answer for that combination R by 2. Region 2 also we have 3 resistors. In region 1, 2 resistors, so 1 by R plus 1 by R, 2 by R, so it will be R by 2. In region 3, it will be 3 resistors, so all are having same value, so it will be R by N we will always write. If I have N resistors, it is 3 resistors, same value, so R by 3. Finally, on adding these two are in series combination 1 and 2, so R by 2 plus R by 3 will be 5R by 6. Finally, that 5R by 6 here I have mentioned in the diagram, that is connected with the topmost R, which I have explained in the previous case, R. So on combining both are parallel. On solving this, we are getting 5R divided by 11. Each value of R is 55 ohm. So finally, we are getting the option as 25 ohm. So option D is right for this problem. Moving to next problem. Problem number 40. In the network shown in the figure, each resistance is R. The equivalent resistance between the points A and B is. So it is in a hexagon shape. 2 points A and B is given at the bottom. The options 20 by 11R, 19 by 20R, 8 by 15R, R by 2. So let us see the solution part. This problem, we have a hexagon shaped resistors at all the sides of the hexagon. At point A and B, we want to find the equivalent resistance, net resistance. Each resistors are having a value R. And I have drawn a diagram, a small triangle. For example, two resistors are connected in the same form. That combination will form a parallel combination that will become R by 2. And I have drawn 4 similar triangles and I have divided that 4 parts of that 4 triangles and I have connected in a different manner to understand this problem, the bottommost diagram. And all the 4 triangles are interconnected. In between, the bottom 2 and top 2 are shorted here. So because of the shorted region, the total current will flow through the shorted region. So no current will be flowing through the topmost region of the 2 triangles and the resistor which is connected between the 2 triangles also. So moving to the next section. So I have circled in a blue color where the current is not flowing, because on shorting the circuit, the total current will be flowing through the resistor which is not connected, and the blue color line I have drawn. So there is no current through that region. So only the resistors which are taken into account will be R, R by 2 and R by 2. R by 2 and R by 2 are in series. R is in parallel with the 2 R by 2. So totally R and R in parallel. So finally the answer we are getting it as R by 2. Problem number 41. The equivalent resistance between the points A and B is given in the diagram. The points A and B. And they have given a larger square. Inside the larger square we have 4 smaller squares. Each smaller squares having sides. Those sides are having resistance R. That is given in the diagram very clearly. And the options are given R, 3R by 2, 2R, R by 2. Moving to the solution. So in the solution, so here we have drawn the diagram initially. Point A and B, a square is drawn in which 4 squares are subdivided. And with the help of Kirchhoff's loop rule. So I am going to solve this problem. So with the help of Kirchhoff's loop rule and by symmetrical idea, the square can be equally divided with equal resistance. So current can be equally divided. The I which is entering through B can be divided as I by 2. And further, on the intersection points, they are divided as I by 4, I by 4. Again at point A, by symmetry, we are getting back the same I by 2 and joining as I. So by junction rule, it will be charges are conserved. So incoming current will be equal to outgoing current. Then further, I have drawn a blue color diagram that represents a loop. Any loop you can choose. I have choosing this loop, this blue color loop. In this blue color loop, along the loop, so from B, while entering into that region, the current becomes I by 2. There the resistance is R, so I by 2 into R. Again, it is moving towards another line where the current is I by 4. The resistance is R into I by 4. Again, it is turning back. So R into I by 4 plus R into I by 2. Finally reaching the point A. Potential drop across AB. Finally, I can write it as I by 2R plus I by 4R plus I by 4R plus I by 2R. So it will be 6 by 6 IR by 4. So finally, on solving this, 3 by 2R is the answer, because VAB can be written as I into R across AB. So I will be cancelled. So RAB is equal to 3 by 2R. So from this, the option B is correct for this question. I think you have understood these problems in a quite good manner. So if you have any queries regarding these problems and more problems I am going to solve. So thank you for your support. So follow the new Facebook page Physics Kendra. Officially I have created. And we have the YouTube channel Guru Shiksha Physics Kalpam. Most of you know about this channel. So if you have any suggestions or any doubts, please message in the page Physics Kendra or in the YouTube channel. Thank you.